What is good, my beautiful people? We are back here again to unbox a brand new pair of sneaker. We got this package a month and a half later from when we ordered it, but it was worth it. I promise you. I think it's worth it. Let's look at it. We got the Kith Marvel Villains Magneto Asics 1130. That is a lot. I really wanted this pair. It was either this or that, green and yellow. Let's look it up. What was that? Green Goblin. It was a Green Goblin pair that I also put my name in the drawing for, but I didn't get it. But we are happy with what we're getting. I haven't opened this. I've taken off the sleeve and that's about it. I mean the sticker, the seal right here. That's all we've taken off, but we haven't looked at the shoe yet. Yeah, like I said, it took about a month and a half for this pair to arrive. I know they had some issues with the shipping, but hey, I'm happy that it's here. Whew, a lot of detail in the packaging. Something about Kith, I'm going to talk while we're opening this. Something about Kith is they really make your money worth it, you know. Sure, their stuff can be expensive, but the packaging and the care and the storytelling that they put in their packaging feels like a premium package whenever you're buying something. I've bought a couple things from them, and it has been an experience when you're unboxing, which makes that money worth it. Sleeve is off. We've got a front page comic book cover style here. Magneto in the front. I grew up on X-Men. This is a big deal for me. Man, look at this. It feels so premium. Let's open this up. Oh man. Yep, so now you got that sneaker right there in this like foil packaging. It's like you're opening a trading card. It's super exciting. Like, the little things count when you're doing these storytelling. We're going to open this one last. But first, there's something underneath. Got this black sleeve protector. Man, this right here makes the whole thing worth it. Plastic covered, glass covered, PSA comic book. Special edition, Marvel and Kith right here. Look at this beautiful. I think this is the green variant. I don't know how rare this is. I will have to do my research on that. It might be pretty rare, I think. We'll see. I don't know. I'm putting this up somewhere in this room, along with all this nerd stuff back here. But here we go. Moment of truth. How do you even open this, bro? How do you even open this? Little Ziploc, okay. It smells like Jordan 1s, bro. That's weird. Same blue. It's nice that we don't have to rip this bag. Just a nice like memorabilia. Oh, buddy. Oh, this is it. This is it. Yeah, this is going to be put on feet, man. This is going to be on feet. 3 pairs of laces. Wow. White. Got a white one right there. Red with some details on it. And the purple. Jeez Louise. Yup. Insoles, yeah, they come off. We got the Asics and the Kith stitch thread on there. Little patch on your heel. Insoles aren't that thick. I use my custom insoles, so I basically have a collection of fresh insoles just chilling in the box. So this is going to go in the box, but beautiful artwork right there. Put that together. Man, shout out Ronnie, shout out to the whole Kith team, Marvel team. making these kind of things possible for kids like me, nerds like me. This is crazy, bro. Yep, that's it. Asics, Kith, killed it.